अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है हुसैन सफदर और मैं पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े शहर कराची से बिलोंग करता हूँ। एंड आई एम रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ लर्निंग एंड ग्रोइंग, एंड आई बिलीव दैट लर्निंग टुगेदर, growing together is the best growth ever. First of all, I just want to congratulate you that you care about your communication and you have that mindset to learn from the people. और आगे जाके आप जिस कंट्री में देखने वाले हैं, आई मैट दिस यंग बॉय ऑन द सोशल मीडिया एंड आई वॉज रियली अमेज्ड बाय हिज वर्क. And so that is why I have invited him on my show, in which he has shared some powerful secrets of communication. इसी के साथ साथ मैं जानता हूँ ये इंटरव्यू थोड़ा लंबा ज़रूर है, लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी पावरफुल, एनर्जेटिक एंड ऑनेस्ट. तो इसलिए आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कि ये वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा. और आई पर्सनली फाउंड दिस कन्वर्सेशन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी यूजफुल, एंड आई हैव लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम दिस कन्वर्सेशन एज वेल. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप भी बहुत कुछ सीखने वाले हैं. तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड लेट्स जंप इनटू द कन्वर्सेशन.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम है हुसैन सफदर और welcome back to another show with another episode. Today we have the guest Mr. Tahir from India, and he is a public speaking coach. And the best part of him is that he has been coaching young pupils, young kids in a very little age. It is a very rare to see those kind of people coming across in your life. And today we have a great guy from India, and let's talk about his journey, like how he has come this far, and how he is going to empower people in a long scale. So, hello, Mr. Tahir. How are you? First of all, thank you for joining us today.
Hi. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me for this show. Okay, for this live show. I am glad to share my value. I'm glad to share a lot of knowledge in this live session. First of all, thank you so much, Hussein bhai, for inviting me. Okay.
No, Tahir, you deserve it. And so, Tahir, going forward, let me ask you, like, how you have started this journey, and when you have discovered yourself that you can speak in a really good manner, in a really good way. How have you discovered yourself?
If in a nutshell, if I just conclude that I was being given an opportunity to represent my school via videos. Okay, so at that point of time I was bad speaker, worst speaker in my school. Okay, I can't speak at any point of time. That when I got an opportunity to speak and represent my school in in national level. Okay, so I need to record a video, but the thing is I was not a good speaker. I am not comfortable in recording videos and all those things. At that point of time, I took more than 10 hours to record just 6-minute video. Just that 6-minute video in 10 hours. So at that point of time, I was having that guilt that Tahir, you are not a good speaker. Tahir, you need to improve yourself. At that point of time, I decided that I need to learn public speaking. I spent my more than 8 to 9 months to learn public speaking, to go to a lot of people, to communicate with them. Then when I started making videos on Instagram, on Facebook and all those things, I am socialized. Okay, I was putting my videos, my content into social media platforms. Then I understand that a lot of people have that same problem which I was having in my young age. Like I was in 11th class at that point of time. So I was like, a lot of people are having the same problem, so let's coach people. Let's share my own experience, how I discovered or how I overcame my fear of speaking. So let's share it out. So I started free coaching, I started free consultation to people, and I know that now it's the time to convert it in monetization way. Okay, this is the right time to monetize it, because you can't give value for free for the lifetime period. Okay, so then at one of time I just started with 50 rupees per consultation call, just 50 rupees, and 2 or 3 people joined. Then they said that Tahir, I was giving them more than 1.5 hour. Okay, I was promising for 30 minutes, and then I was giving them 1.5 hour. So it was a great time. That was my time, and that I learned how to speak. And then I came to know that yes, I am a good speaker. I am a confident. Still, I am a student of public speaking. I never said I am an expert or something, but still I want to share my knowledge. Still I want to coach more and more people, and mainly to students, because I was the student when I faced this problem. So I know that how a student feel when they have a big opportunity and then they can't express themselves. Then at that I know that now I have to coach student, college students, school students. So whenever I go to students and I talk to them, I feel like I'm like them. I'm like them. Okay, you are like my age. I tell them that I'm also 17. Okay, you are 16 right now. So let's grow together, and they feel good.
Let's grow
And
together.
I feel good that I'm coaching the people who are at the same level, who are higher than me. Because right now in my second batch, a lot of professionals are here. So I feel good that as a
Right.
student, I'm teaching professional how to speak. That is a big opportunity for me. So this is a big short story.
Okay, Tahir, most of the people love to know that what is your age and at what age that you have start consulting people.
I was 16. Okay, I was just 16 when I started learning. Okay, and 16 and a half I started coaching. Now I'm 17. I think so. In November I'll be 18.
Okay, okay, wonderful. Tahir, when you were doing public speaking, or you were like you have thought that you should have like that now you should have start mentoring people or coaching people. So there is some sort of fear of like what people say that every human has to face this sort of fear. So how have you overcome and just become so confident speaking on camera and social media, on Instagram, on YouTube? You are everywhere doing so well and just informing on daily basis, sharing your tips, sharing
Actually,
your thoughts with the people. Yeah.
when I started like where I want to do the first ever webinar, I was so, like you can say, nervous that how I'll be speaking for 40 minutes, because I was used to speaking in 2 minutes, 3 minutes video. Okay, at that point of time.
Yeah.
So I started, and the worst part happens with me is lights are like light cut off, biggest light cut off, and then the net connection was bad, raining outside, a lot of bad thing happens at one point of time, and that was my first webinar. So I was nervous, and after 1 hour when lights were on and all the things were ready, and then I was I want to get to start the webinar, I was blank, like I don't know what to speak then. Then I
Okay.
just postponed that live session, and then I did the live session. So starting, when everyone who's listening to this, just understand one thing: when you are starting with your public speaking or anything, and the starting point, you will feel that I'm in a self-doubt, I'm not good. At that point of time, I was like, what if people will not like my content? What if people will think that, because
Exactly.
at that point of time I was not expert, I was not having any experience, so I can't share my own techniques. I was sharing other people's techniques from Google or from YouTube, and a lot of people are doing those things. So I was like this. So what if people will say that I heard this technique on YouTube, you are sharing the copy technique. So I was like,
Okay. Yes.
if people will say this, but people were like, awesome, the session was awesome, and they was like the amazing session, and you were good. So I felt confident that yes, even I'm sharing other people content, I'm sharing in my own perspective. Then I came to know that content is always same. If you are talking about public speaking, if I'm talking about public speaking, we are talking about eye contact strategies. Maybe your strategy and my strategies are same, but the way of presenting it is different. That's what
Exactly,
I
yes.
came to know after 10 to 15 webinars. Okay, so I have to work upon those skills, I have to work upon my own self-belief. So yeah, in starting you'll feel nervous, but it's a part of your journey. It feels good when, like right now, if I'm sharing about my first webinar, it feels good. So be in the flow. If you are feeling nervous, okay, great, it's a part of your journey.
Tahir, along with this, I just want to ask you, during this conversation, that you are so fluent in the English as well. So, good in communication is a different part, and a good in English is also a different part. So, how have you managed both together?
Actually, the part was I was not good at English. I said now that that video which I recorded for my school, I recorded in Lisanul Dawat. So I was not
Okay.
good at English. Okay, when I was
In
speaking
Gujarati,
English, I was
was
in Gujarati. So I was speaking in English, but my pronunciations and my words are totally bad. Worse. Okay, my grammar was not good at that point of time. But what I did is I started implemented very quickly. Okay, I started recording videos in English. I used to write down every single word I used to speak in the video. Like for 2 minutes video, I need to write down more than 6 to 7 pages of my little short diary, and I have to like put it before the camera, and I have to see this and I have to speak. I was doing those kind of things at that point of time. Right now, I just start the camera. I have content in my mind. I have written 2 or 3 points, and I start recording more than 8 to 10 minute video. But at that point of time, I used to do those things. I have to ratify every single thing in 10 days, and then I have to record video. That thing every single person should do. Okay, you need to start implementing every single thing. I was bad at English, but I used to copy it down from Google. I used to write it and I used to learn it, and then I used to speak. What I was doing is I was converting Hindi dialogues, Bollywood Hindi dialogues, to English. Okay, like that one was my like first dialogue was like of Sunny Deol. Okay, I think so. You know that dialogue is Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq, Tariq pe Tariq. Okay,
exactly.
so I used to
It was one of
convert
the famous
that
dialogue
thing.
in-
Yeah, I used to convert the thing like my lord, you are giving dates on dates, dates on dates, dates on this dates, but you are not giving us justice. I was used to do it, and I was having that fun. Like, yeah, this is good thing to learn English. I was watching English stand-up comedy videos on YouTube with subtitles. I need to learn how they use humor, because humor is something very difficult to use. So I used to do those things. But the thing is, first and foremost thing, if anybody wants to learn English, go with the thing is you need to start implementing. The more you'll speak, now I'm coming with the part of communication. English will be better if you are communicating. Okay, they both has the separate things. Communication is something different, presenting your views. It might be in Hindi, it might be in Urdu, it might be in English. And English is something which is a kind of language which we use to communicate, but English is more globally prior language, because if you are speaking English, it feels more professionalism. Okay, it feels like every single person is speaking in English right now. So we need to learn that global language. Okay, but the thing is, to improve any kind of language, you need to communicate. And the people say that, how I'll be communicating with people in my house, in my home, in my friends, in my relatives, in my friend circle. They all are speaking in Gujarati or Urdu or Hindi. How I will, for whom and to whom I to speak in English? There's one thing which will never goes off trending, which is videos. When you record videos, not to post on any social media, just record for yourself. Okay, they record for yourself, and when you will hear it, you'll know that at this point of time I'm wrong in my English speaking. Share it to someone who's a very trusted person. It could be anything. Your teacher, your friend, which is more trusted. Sometimes friends don't support us, so friends are not your trusted person. Okay, right now my friends are not supporting me. They're saying that, what you are doing, man? What is the use of using public speaking and all those things? And when I started, right now when I'm earning some money, they're saying that, how did you do this? How did you learn public speaking? And then I, please support me a little bit so that I can speak. They're not supporting me. That's the thing. So find a trusted person whom you can send your video. It could be anything from Instagram, from WhatsApp, any person. I used to do those things. I used to share my video with my mother, because I trust my mother more. Okay, I used to share it with my principal, the person who was there at my recording with my first video. So he was already frustrated with my English, but then also he used to watch it. He used to see that I have this is good. Okay, now this is your problem, and they say that I will always turn your ear and tell you that you are wrong, because a teacher is always a teacher, a student is always a student. He said, don't hear to
Exactly.
any negative comments, but hear to my negative comments, because I'm your teacher. And that thing motivated me, that I have to speak in English. Right now, if I'm fluent in English, it's just because I was recording video. I was doing live sessions on Instagram, I'm doing a Facebook live session for the first time. I never did this.
Okay.
So I used to do
Okay.
Instagram live sessions. I used to do live webinars. That helped me to, like, right now as well, my pronunciation, my grammar, my sentence formation is not so good, but I am able to communicate. I am able
Yeah.
to present myself. The people who are listening to this, they'll understand what I'm speaking. Maybe they'll not understand that where I'm using the, what you can say, the bad English, the bad grammar, the wrong grammar. They'll not
Yeah.
understand right now.
Yeah.
If someone is an English teacher, they'll maybe understand this thing. So these all I spoke a
Okay,
lot of
absolutely.
things in just one question. But that's the thing I did for my English improvement.
Wonderful to hear this, Tahir. Like, as every like great things takes times to come, and like you have proved that that keeping these things in practice, and finally that you are here and you are and as well. So finally, Tahir, when we talk about communication, we always talk about the effective good communication. And I also know that failing in communication will lead to frustration. And most of us, we never taught how to be a good communicator. We never taught in school, in college, or in university, at any academic stage. How would you describe an effective communicator? एक कहने वाला इंसान कैसा होता है? हम उससे क्यों इतना मुतासर होते हैं?
The thing is, मैं जो चीज समझता हूँ is, if you are able to present your ideas, present your thoughts in a beautiful manner. Okay, if I'm saying how are you saying, it's simple. But if I'm saying in a different good manner which you feel like good, okay, that this person is something, a good communicator, a good person to speak with, that is what a good communicator is. When you are presenting your ideas, whatever you have in your mind, you are transparent. Okay, transparent in the sense, if you have something abusive in your mind, you can't say it. Okay, sometimes it happens that
Exactly.
we are so angry, we are so frustrated with some person, and we are talking to them. You can't speak like those abusive language in front of him. You don't have to be so transparent, but you have to transparent that you can present yourself. The thing is, when I used to record videos, I was getting good views. I was getting good comments from my the viewers, okay, from my audience. But I understand that my audience was not liking my content. My audience is
Yeah.
somewhere related to my personal life. That's why they are supporting me. I
Exactly.
understood
Exactly.
when I used to share my videos, share my views, share my perspectives to other people. Okay, if I am sharing this perspective to this live session to you, to people who are watching this, some people not like my perspective, some people not like my views. That's where I know that I'm not good communicator. So like you said that we are frustrated when we are not good communicator. It happens in interview sessions or in somewhere where when you have a great opportunity but your communication lacks, and you like what you can say, lose that opportunity or lose that interview session, that then you feel frustrated कि यार I'm not good at communicating. So what you can do is, if you want to be a great communicator, and if you want to know and analyze that if I am a good communicator or not, is see from the other person perspective. Okay, in one of my recent videos on Instagram, I said that communication is not what you say, communication is what they hear. So you need to understand.
Exactly.
Yes, you need to understand that audience are watching you, listening you. The person who's taking your interview is listening to you or not. The person whom you are talking, even if one-to-one communication skill, the person who is listening to you is interested in that talk or not. If you are able to know those things, okay, you will know if I'm talking with you on a video call, not in this live session, and if you are like okay, I'll know that you are not interested. You are listening because you are in a video call. So that thing you need to understand. Little bit of practice and little bit of experience will tell you how to judge people, that they are interested or not. If they are not, don't talk with them, or just change the way of talking. Okay, first thing we can do is, I'll not talk to that person. Second thing you can do is, you will talk about their interest. Okay, but understand, if that person interest is not right, okay, if they are doing something bad and they are interested in talking something waste of time, then don't talk to them. Talk to the people who are really interested in talking to you. Okay, and that thing you will find with a little experience, with a little time. I'll not tell that it will take more than 6 to 7 months. It can take 1 week or 2 weeks, but the thing is, you need to go to them. Okay, if I'm not going to, like, I'm not talking to you, how will I know that what are your interests? Right? You need to talk with every single person.
Yes.
What we do is one thing, जब हम शादियों में जाते हैं, what we do is, we don't talk to anybody, because we don't know anyone in that. If there is a friend's marriage or someone who is relative marriage, like बहुत दूर के रिश्तेदार होते हैं, so we don't know any person. In that 100 people, we know only 20 people. So what we do is, we don't talk to anybody, or we only talk to those 20 people. No. What I used to do is, I used to talk with every single person who is in that marriage. If I am there for 6 to 7 hours, I'll use that 7 hours. This is difficult. This is not easy in starting, in the beginning. But you have to be shameless. Okay, you need to go there and to talk. Even if they are not interested, they'll say you that I am not interested in talking to you right now. Go to another person. Don't feel bad if someone is telling you that you are not a good communicator. Just take it as an advantage that, yes, okay, even if if you talk with 1 sentence or 2 sentences, you spoke with me, you gave your time. That's great. That mindset is difficult to build. Okay, it's not easy. It's easy to when I'm saying, because I have built it, but it's difficult when you do it. If you go to a marriage, you can't talk to every single person, because you don't know them. Maybe they are in somewhere other mindset. So go with 2 things. Okay, 2 things I'll tell you. That first, what is their interest? Okay, if they're talking to you, if your content is audience centric, means audience is understanding what you are saying, then you are a good communicator. Second is, you need to think that the person who is standing in front of me is thinking positive about me. What we do is, हम वहाँ जाते हैं, I will say that अगर वो कुछ बुरा सोच रहा होगा मेरे बारे में, तो if they will think that why this person came to me to talk, why you are thinking that, when you think that, you have that mind. So सामने वाला कुछ भी बोलेगा तो आपके दिमाग में वही चलेगा कि नहीं यार, ये गलत सोच रहा होगा, नहीं यार, ये he might be thinking something bad. Why you are thinking those things? You think that they are on your side. They love to talk with you. And then still I'm saying this is not easy, but it will be easy when you start talking. It will be
right.
That is what a great and effective communication and communicator means. What in my perspective, okay? I don't know other people's perspective.
Yes. Tahir, one thing comes under the great communicator is that they are very good at listening as well. They are not focusing on communicating instead continuously. They are just focusing on listening as well, because listening is what more, because we have 2 ears and one tongue, so we just have to follow that ratio as well. Okay, so that is why we have to listen more in order to communicate effectively. So most of the people also lack that kind of skill as well, that because they are not interested in listening others' point of view. They are just want to share their point of view as well. बस मतलब मेरी सुन लो, मैं सही हूँ, आपकी मैं नहीं सुनूंगा, because ठीक है. तो बाज़ वक़्त इसको भी बाज़ वक़्त गलत लिया जाता है कि बाज़ वक़्त अगर मैं अच्छा बोलता हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ बोलूंगा, मैं किसी के सुनूंगा नहीं. ठीक है. हाँ. तो
बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं.
जी इस पे अपनी कुछ रोशनी.
Actually, I'll tell you my personal experience. I was in a presentation. I was sitting there. I was listening to some workshop, and I have a lot of questions in my mind. Like, he was speaking. He was not clear when he was speaking. He was speaking just points, not detailed points. So I was sitting there, and I need to ask question. I told him for 2 or 3 times, and he was like, "Okay, we'll talk later. And at the end,
Yeah.
when it's time to Q&A, when it's time to question and answer session, he took only 2 questions. Again, there were
Okay.
more than 60 people sitting there. So he took
Okay.
2 questions, one of mine and one of other person, but there are a lot of people who have questions. And he just walked
Okay.
up. At that
Okay.
point of time, I understand that listening skills are really important. See, I think so. It happened with you as well. कि अगर कोई टेलीकॉलर आपको कॉल करा and he said, Hussain, I have some credit card issues and I have to do this. Okay, he's just telling, and he's
Yeah.
not listening to our perspective that I have 3 credit cards. Why I should take one more? Just listen
Yeah.
to me one time. But he or she is so trained, so what he can say is speaking every single day. They just start speaking. They don't listen to us, and it feels bad. Sometimes I don't feel something. Yeah, okay, it's her or his job. Okay, but sometimes the people have that ego issues that why you are not listening to me. Sometimes that people have, and that thing you need to understand. In not just in communication, in public speaking, but in sales as well. If you are a business owner, a shop owner, or you are a job person, just sit and listen to some people. Okay, when there is a chance of talk. Okay, there, like you asked the question, I gave the answer. Okay, so you listen. You are sitting and you are listening to me what I'm answering. Okay, same thing when you're questioning. That's the thing you need to understand. When you have been given a chance to speak, then speak to your fullest. But when it's time to listen, people, sit and listen, introspect the people, that what they want to take from you and what they want to give to you every single time. There is a big difference in listening skills and observation. Observation is something different, but when you are listening,
Yes.
understand that you are listening with a active mind. Okay, physical presence on mindset presence. What we do is, when we are listening, what we do is we have a mobile phone. We are doing this, and yes, I am listening. Yes, I am listening. We don't have to do this. You have to mentally present. What we have, in one of the webinars, I was there and I was listening, like I was attending the webinar. So the coach said that what you need to do is, when you are not mentally present, you will not able to sell. That was a sales workshop. So you're not able to sell because
Okay.
you are not
Yes.
understanding that what is the problem with your customer. They don't have money. Their parents are not supporting them. They are not ready right now to buy a course or buy a product. Just listen to them for 1 hour, 2 hours. Listen all their objections and then clear. And then I applied. I was listening to them for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then I just have one solution, and they are okay. They were clear that yes, our objections are clear. Okay, if they have अगर कुछ पैसे का इशू होता है तो फिर वो पैसे का इंतजाम करते हैं. But then I say them that only 1 or 2 lines कि हाँ, ये आपके objections का, ये आपका solution. But I'm able to tell them because I listen to them. I sit and just listen to their problems. That's what every single person should do. Because communicator, just I said before, communication is not what you say. Communication is what they hear. Okay, so what they hear will be depend on what you hear. If you will not hear what if they are saying, they'll not hear what you are saying. Simple.
Right. Tahir, like we have conducted so many seminars, webinars, and the live sessions, and coaching as well, personal one-on-one coaching as well. What we have observed, do you have observed thing that why people are not aware that they should have to be communicate better? Because people are not aware that yeah, communication पर so invest करूँ, like या communication like या मैं ठीक बोल तो लेता हूँ, बस मुझे बात करना आती तो है. So why should I learn communication? Like, though I just want to give the message to those students who are not think to invest on their communication skills. Like they do not participate in the presentations, in the seminars, or anything they got opportunity in their life. So what is the motivation to those students? Like invest करो अपनी communication skills पे, focus करो ताकि यही communication skills आपको, like we see that 70% or 80% of the time we communicate to the people in houses, in in outside home, so definitely it creates a very huge impact. Okay, knowledge तो
Absolutely.
बाद में मेरी knowledge तो मेरी जो मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है knowledge तो मेरी बाद में जाहिर होगी, लेकिन सबसे पहले तो मेरी जो अगर if I don't know how, like we have said, if I don't know how to present myself, तो वो जो सारी knowledge मैं अंदर रख के बैठा हूँ, सीख के बैठा हूँ, तो उसका फायदा क्या फिर?
Absolutely. See, when I invested more than 5,000 rupees in my first ever communication course, which was of Rahul Bhatnagar sir, and
Yeah.
I told my friends, because I was excited to learn, I told my friends that I invested. They said, Tahir, you invested 5,000 rupees in just to improve your communication. Okay, you can record videos without having that course. You can be a good communicator. I said, how? They said, you'll go to interview. Okay, you fail in 20 interviews, you will learn communication. You sit on a shop,
Yeah.
you will learn how to
Yeah.
sell. I said, okay, but why I should fail in 20 interview? Why I should give my 1 year in sitting at a shop to learn how to sell? If I can sell, if I can learn how to sell, if I can learn how to communicate in just 1 or 2 workshops, or in just that 6 months or 5 months of span. And they said that, Tahir, you are not right, and you invested, you have wasted your money. Right now, it's perfect 8 months. Okay, I'm coaching and I'm earning a little bit of money every single month. Now they are saying, right, like I said in the beginning, that how did you do that? I said the same thing. You saw my growth from 0 to 100, or from 0 to
Yeah.
50. There are 2 or 3 close friends. They have been watching every single video, so they know how I am improving. I said, watch my videos and improve. He said that, okay, but how did you improve? I said, I invested money and I improved. Then they're like, okay, I'll give you 5,000 rupees, but how I'll be improving? They just ask for guarantee, because this is not a skill. If I'm learning right now, if I tell you I'm learning some computer skills as well for after because I just completed 12th class, so I need to have some what you can say formal certificates of I know computer skills and all those
Exactly.
things. So I'm learning.
Yeah.
I'm learning
Yeah.
Tele, and I'm learning web development. So that skill is visible. That I'm able to
Yeah.
learn coding,
Yeah.
HTTP.
Exactly.
I am able to learn it. Okay.
Yeah.
But public speaking and communication is not a physical what you can say
Skill.
a skill.
Physical
Okay,
skill.
it will not
Yeah.
improve. If I am able to learn in 3 minutes, maybe you will learn in 3 weeks. It depends on the
Yeah.
capacity, it depends on the potential. It's not like
Yeah,
a
person to
syllabus
person.
you need to follow. Yeah, that's why people are not ready to invest in communication skills. They believe is why we need to learn talking, because we are good at talking, but they don't know that you are so very nervous. Okay, because in just simple what I can say about facts, so 90% of people are afraid of public speaking more than death in America.
Exactly.
In
Yes,
United
yes,
States.
yes.
So, there one points more if I add on, that they know how to speak in English. Okay, understand one thing, if anybody is listening this live session, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, understand they know English, they are good at, they are fluent, they are perfect in English, but then also they have a fear of speaking. So English is not a main thing, and the thing is you need to learn how to communicate effectively, because there are more than 15 lakh people who just passed 12th class in RBS, Rajasthan board in India. 15
Okay,
lakh people.
okay.
Okay, and more
Yeah.
than 30 to 40 lakh people pass college every single year, but the jobs are of 10,000, 20,000, man. Only 100 people are successful in building their business in that 30 lakh people. If you want to be successful, learn how to communicate. If you want to be successful, learn how to speak in public. Because if you have a business idea, say a business owner, why I should learn public speaking? If I have a business idea and I will get an opportunity to speak that business idea, to share that business idea in front of 1,000 people, if I'm not a good communicator or public speaker, I'll not able to do it. I missed out
Exactly.
I missed out 1,000 customers. Okay, in that 1,000, maybe 300 or 400 people will buy my product. So I missed out 300 or 400 people's profit. Understand, even if you are a housewife, you need to invest some money in your communication. you invest 10 to 11 lakh rupees in your formal studies, still you don't have any type of guarantee that you will get a job. Okay, still
Yes.
you don't have a guarantee that I'll go onto stage and I'll speak fluently. No one will give you that guarantee. But communication skill, even if you invest it and if you don't learn anything, if I'm not a good communicator, even investing in 5,000 rupees, okay, even investing my 7 to 8 months of learning, you will not understand that you are improving or not. But the people who are listening to you, the people who are watching to you, okay, watching your videos or watching you how you are communicating, they will know that you are improving. Okay, you have that improving mindset, because sometimes people tell me in the Rahul Bhatnagar course group that they have more than 7,000 members. Okay, but the
Okay.
people who are uploading videos are only 3,000. So
Okay.
a lot of people message me that
Yeah.
Tahir, I invested 5,000 rupees, but I'm not improving anything, or give me some tips. And so I said, you are not improving because you don't have that improving mindset.
Yeah.
You are here and you want that I just watch webinars, I just watch videos and I learn. No, you need to implement. Okay, and to implement and to learn, you need to invest. The more you will invest, the more you will learn, the more you will able to earn money. If you are a good communicator, even if you are what you can say, making topies, okay, if you are making topies, if you are good at, your talent is to make your skills to learn how to like make topies, then also you need to have a good communication. How will you upgrade
Sell
your
those
business?
topics.
Let me give you a 1 second or a 10-second idea. You can go live session on Instagram or on Facebook. You can show your topi and you can show how the work is done if you are a good
Yeah.
communicator. My
Yeah.
mom, okay, my mother is selling Redas, okay, Redas and
Yeah.
all this lady stuff.
Yeah.
So she
Yeah.
is following a lot of pages on Instagram. What they are doing is they go live, they talk to people, and they talk about the quality of the clothes, the quality of clothes. Okay, they just talk like this, but they have good communication skills. So they're able to sell the Redas in 3 to 4,000 rupees. And how much they invested? 5,000 rupees. They sold more than 5 to 10 Redas. They got more than 20,000 rupees profit. That's where you need to see the long-term vision of communication skills. That's where you need to invest money on communication skills for sure. Even if I have to invest 20,000 rupees, I don't have right now. But when I will have 20,000 rupees in my own earnings, I'll invest in the communication skills.
राइट
Still.
ताहिर कम्युनिकेशन की हमने बात की, आज थोड़ी सी आपके बारे में कुछ बात करते हैं कि लाइक यू हैव सेड कि यू आर coaching people since last 8 months, right?
Yes.
Okay, so since last 8 months, how many students you have mentored up till now?
In 8 months, if you take about the paid versions, I'm doing
Yes.
the paid webinars and paid thing
Yes.
is from 4 months. And
4 months,
before 4 months, I used to do it for free. So
Okay.
paid members counted. Okay, so if we talk about paid members, it is more than 350 people. Okay.
Yes.
In the consultation calls and webinars, in workshops, in my batches and all those things, and 50 people who paid me for my 20 days training. So if you just calculate it, it's 400 people whom I have
Okay.
trained in a paid. If you talk about free, a lot of people, because when I used to do free consultation call, I took more than 200 consultation call in 4 months. So if you
Okay,
talk
yes.
about those people, because from that 200 I got 100 students in my paid. So I always talk about my paid people, of course, because free is something I share in my Instagram videos, and all those things are
Yeah.
also free.
Yeah.
So 400 students, and my mission is to empower 10 lakh people. Okay.
Okay,
And
great.
in this 4 years, okay, this was my 5-year plan. Okay, so it's 8 months right now, it's 4 months, so I hope I can guide 10 lakh people. Okay, even if it's in 50 rupees, but I'll guide them. Okay, I'll not take 50 rupees, of course, right now, but after slowly and gradually, I am looking forward to empower 10 lakh people, which is 1 million people. This is my dream, and it's like, वो सपने देखने के पैसे नहीं लगते. इसलिए आप देख सकते हो अच्छे खासे सब।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, नहीं तो भाई सपने देखने के लिए पैसे, सपने देखने के लिए करेक्ट बहुत जबरदस्त करेज चाहिए, और जो कि हर किसी के पास नहीं है।
Absolutely.
ठीक है,
That thing you
और-
need to understand.
या एग्जैक्टली। ताहिर, अगर किसी जो भी हमें देख रहे हैं या हमें सुनने वाले हैं या लोग जो सुन रहे हैं, अगर आपकी कोचिंग में या आपकी जो 20 डेज की जो ट्रेनिंग सेशन है उसका पार्ट बनना हो या आपके वेबिनार का पार्ट बनना हो, तो आपसे कैसे जोड़ा जा सकता है?
You can DM me on Instagram. Okay, you can message me on WhatsApp if you have my WhatsApp number. I'll just type
Okay.
in the chat box. Should I type in the comments?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Or in the private chat.
It's all depends. It's all depend up to you. Like
One
what you,
Yeah, I've put it in private chat. If you can copy and paste it in the comments.
hello. Great.
Oh,
Yes.
sorry, because they are raining outside, so it was like a little
Okay,
connection network glitch. So if you want to
Okay.
connect with me, you can search it out on Instagram, Tahiristic, and you'll find my. If you are in this live session, you may know me or may have seen the poster. So yeah, you can connect
Yeah.
me on Instagram and DM me. I am doing free workshops every single month, or every what you can say, in the span of 40 days. I do a free workshop, I do a paid workshop, I do a 20 days training. A lot of things are there for you guys. Okay, a lot of videos are there on my Instagram page, on my Facebook, on my YouTube. So anywhere you can connect me, you can message me. Okay, and my team will connect with you. I'll connect with you if I'm free. Okay.
Okay, so Tahir, like you make your videos on Instagram, like on daily basis, on
Yeah.
Okay, so the video was so neat and clean. So those editing skills, do you have those editing skills, or you outsource that editing skills from someone else?
No, actually, I edit my videos on my own. Okay, but the
Okay.
videos which I think that this is more need to be more professional. Like till now, I have outsourced only one video editing. Okay, which was
Okay.
for my ads. Okay, for my Instagram ads, I ran ads,
Okay.
so I only outsourced one video. Till now, I'm editing my own videos, and like what you can say, honestly, if I'm saying, I love to edit my videos, because
Exactly.
even if I outsource, I need to send him the video. Okay, send her the video. Then he or she record, edit. Then he send me and said me that Tahir, this is good or not. Then I send that again that this is not good. You need to add. I love to edit my own videos because I know where I'm speaking words. What I do is in some of my YouTube videos is I add emojis as a text. Okay, when I'm speaking,
Yeah.
or if I little bit I fumble, so I put in the captions fumble, or I put something in funny emoji so that people can laugh on my mistakes sometimes.
Yeah.
So I do those
Yeah.
things. I love to edit my own videos, and I learned little bit from YouTube and little bit from recording more and more videos and all those things. I did all those things just to have a good confidence. But yeah, you can do it. You can outsource your videos. You can outsource your video editing. Even if I think is whenever I feel that now this video is going for ads, I little bit outsource it. Okay, a little part of it I outsource it, and it's okay to outsource. It's okay to outsource video because your video should be professional, because the audience are watching it. So I can't what you can say is मैं उनको निराश नहीं कर सकता. So if I feel that my editing skills for this video is not good, I'll outsource it. But till now, in this 300 to 400 videos, I have just edited on myself.
How much time do you require to edit one videos, or to make a proper one video with the proper content and recording? How much time do you take?
Okay, content and recording, all those things. So it depends on the video span. If I talk about average 5-minute video, if I take average, okay, may I record 10 minutes video, may I record 1 minute video. So if I talk about 5 minutes, if the content is properly fitting in my mind, okay, if I've seen something in my real life and I'm converting into tips, then it just takes 10 to 15 minutes to record 5-minute video, because I need to fix the mobile, I need to fix the lighting, I need to fix the mic over there, a small wire mic, okay, like this is the mic, so I have to fix it.
Yeah.
And if the mic is working or not, light is good or not, for that I need 10 to 15 minutes. So in half an hour I record my 5-minute video. But if the lighting is good and the mic is good, properly fitted, and if I am energetic and I have a content of 2-3 videos, I record more than 15 to 16 minutes of content in 30 minutes. For editing, it takes more time. It takes more time, like half an hour to edit a video. Okay, if it's of 5 to 10 minutes. If it's a 1 minute, it takes more than 2 minutes to record, 2 minutes to edit that video, because I know how to edit the videos in a fastest manner. Because in 1 minute video, you don't need a lot of captions, you don't need a lot of text things.
Yeah.
You just need a main points.
Yeah.
But when it comes to YouTube, you need to find that quality is good or not. Okay, you need to add on a little bit text, you need to add on your own Instagram or Facebook and LinkedIn profiles over there, so that people can follow you. That is also what you can say, a hectic part, because you need to do it every single time. Okay, and then you need to add you need to add an intro, you need to add an outro for YouTube. That in YouTube videos I take time 20-25 minutes to edit the video. But in normal Instagram video, I record it like this, 5 minutes time and 5 minutes for editing, if you say 10 minutes for a 1 minute Instagram video. And reels are so simple. Just start the mobile and record the reels.
Yeah. So how do you manage other things? Like when you're doing so many things regarding videos, online seminars, coaching, live training. So definitely you have other things to in your surroundings. Yeah. So how do you manage those things? यार अम्मी कह रही है कि बस कर जाओ, अबू कह रही चलो बेटा बस कर जाओ, मतलब चलो बेटा कुछ और भी कर लो. Like this type of things, like you have definitely heard from your parents as well. So
correct.
how do you like कि वो सारी चीजें आपने किस तरह मैनेज कर रखी है और फिर भी आप अपने काम पे फोकसली कंसिस्टेंटली काम कर रहे हो अभी तक?
Actually the thing is, like you said that बस अब दूसरा कोई भी चीज करो. My mom said me before 2 months and I started learning computer courses and computer hardware software, because the thing is right now everything is like you find a job. You have to have a certificate. You have to have a certificate. Okay. Even I also believe this, that you have done a courses, so you'll have. जब भी आप खड़े हो तो लगना चाहिए कि यार इस शख्स के अंदर वो है, उसके बाद डिग्रीज भी है अपनी स्किल्स के साथ साथ. सो when I started that thing, it was really hectic to record videos and doing seminars and all those things. But the thing is, people are also supportive. If I say that I will do 2 consecutive live sessions, okay, today and tomorrow, and we'll have a 2 days break. I do alternative live sessions in my 20 days trainings. Okay, so 20 days, 10 days, 10 live sessions. So I said that if I'm busy after 5 days, I'll do 5 live sessions consecutive. Okay, again and again, back to back, every single day. So I have 5 days of gap.
Yes.
Okay, कि 5 दिन के 10 दिन के वेबिनार्स 5 दिन में कर दिए, और 5 दिन तक उनको जो टास्क देने थे हर रोज वो एक टाइम दे दी. ऐसा अगर लोग सपोर्ट करे तो लोग बोले कि हाँ ओके था है, we are ready to do that. If they are not ready, then we have to manage the time. Okay, I have to go to computer classes, then I have to come here, I have to eat lunch, I have to sleep. Okay, so that my mind is in a cool mode. Okay, then I have to do, sometimes it happens that we have a live Instagram sessions, we have to upload videos. So what I do is, when I record videos, I have 2 or 3 video contents. I record 2 or 3 videos or maybe 6 videos back to back, giving more than 3 hours if I'm free on Sunday. So for 1 week I have prepared content. So every day I have to just edit those videos. Okay, if I have to put that video on Saturday, I'll start editing from Monday. Little editing, and I'll put on Saturday. Okay, that thing I do. I surely do that. I record videos for in earlier what I used to do is I have to upload videos at 9 p.m. I used to record that videos 9 a.m. I used to edit video at 12 or 1 p.m. and I used to upload it because I was having that free time in COVID-19 in this lockdown. But when I started this all things, when Ramzan came, Muharram came, so we need to give time to our spiritual things, and that is important, religion things. So I used to record bulk videos and then I used to upload. And then I used to tell my audience that audience is like, today if I'm not uploading videos, I'll upload more stories. Those I used to deliver the content. And the thing is, when you're passionate about doing those things, you take out time. You take out the jugaad of doing those things. Okay, if I'm not free at that point of time, I have to do it before that time. And seriously, I'm telling that I am not good at time management. I'm very, very bad at time management. I'm a lazy person. Okay, so in this thing of public speaking, in this journey of public speaking till now, I became more good at time managing. So whenever you are following your passion, understand you will have that skills of pressure handling and time managing, because sometimes it happens that I've invested more money on ads or invested more money on my technical things, but I don't get return on investment, in the sense that not more students are connected on the webinar. It happens with every single person. So I've little bit frustrated, I have little bit pressure. If I have to do a webinar, again I have to do before this live session, okay, before namaz, I just completed my webinar. So my voice is my throat was completely off. So I was just silent. I was just not talking for 1 hour so that my voice can get rest. I was having my little water so that whenever I'm speaking, I'm not speaking with a bad voice. That thing you will understand after some period of time. Sometimes it happened that my grandmother's, what you can say, treatment was going on. Okay, so I have to give time to that because my mom is alone. My father is in Kuwait, so my mom is alone right now in India. In India. So I have to be there. I'm only the man in the house right now. So I have to be here. I missed more than 3 to 4 months of school to just help my mom here for my grandmother, from my grandfather and my grandmother. Well, my grandmother was in hospital and my grandfather was at home. So my mother used to go at hospital and I used to be at my home to take care of him. So I used to do those and I used to upload my videos as well. What the thing is, whenever they used to sleep, I used to record videos in my other room with a low voice. And what I used to do is I used to cut out the voice. I used to extract the voice from the video and I used to double it. मैं एक पे एक और वीडियो की लेयर चिपका देता ताकि वो वॉइस बढ़ जाए. I used to do this type of jugaad. So you will manage time if you are passionate, because there were some people who are not recording videos right now. They are with me in the journey. They were with me in the journey. My Instagram virtual friends, but they are not recording videos right now. They say that there are some problems in my home and I have to go at my shop as well, my father's shop, and a lot of things were there. So it's the thing is, if you are passionate, if you're doing it by seeing other people, if you start recording videos and if other people starting recording videos just by seeing me, just by taking my content and my type of content, you'll not make it if you're not passionate about it, right? We took out more than 1.5 years for this live session. Why we need to do those things? Because we are passionate to give value. The people are waiting for our content, right? The people were waiting for the episode 4 right now. So they are maybe not 100 people, no, maybe not 10 people, even 2 are waiting. That are also a good thing for us. Okay, so that is what motivated me to manage my time. If sometimes very less time it happens, okay, it's very once in 100. Okay, sometimes I have to cancel the live session. Okay, on Instagram. Okay. Then also I tell them I'll do it afterwards. Very less time, because if I'm so very busy. Even if I'm not so very busy, and if I'm sick, okay, if my health is not good, I'll not do it, because health is most prior things, because I'm bad at maintaining my health. I don't do fitness things. Okay, I know that I have to do those things. Okay, there is a little bit what you can say treatment of my neck as well. Okay, there is a little bit of what you can say is sujan jo hoti hai, like swelling,
Yes.
little bit of
Swelling.
nerve swell. There's there in my neck. So I have to do exercise every single day, but I'm not good at maintaining my exercises and all those things. So I know that I'm bad at my fitness, so I have to work upon it, and I have to give time to that as well. A lot of things are there to maintain fitness. I have to put it stories, reels, videos, but it happens. It will, like, पता ही नहीं चलता कि यार कब time manage हो रहा है अपने आप. Right now, if I see myself, this is not what Tahir before 1.5 years. Okay, I was bad at speaking. I was bad at sitting for 1 hour. I was lazy. I was procrastinating. Still, I'm lazy. Still, I'm not good at. I mess up a lot of things. But it is a part of journey, and I like it. I really like it to maintain a lot of things. I really like to be busy and not doing a lot of things. I tell to people that I'm busy. But if I tell my routine, what I'm doing, I'm just sleeping. Okay, I'm going to computer courses which they feel that it is not important. I'm doing webinar. I'm doing video. Okay, but they are like, you're not busy. But for me, this is what busy is. If I'm making video, they said, Tahir, don't record video for now. बहुत दोस्त होते बोलते हैं कि यार ताहिर आज चल दे थोड़ा बहुत बाहर. Okay, in this lockdown, my mom is not allowing me to go outside. Of course, but they are saying that ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ने थोड़ा बहुत जा सकते हैं ना. So I give them the reason that I'm recording video. They said, Tahir, don't record videos every day. I said, it's my choice. If I have to record, sometimes it happens कि पूरा दिन खाली गया और मैंने record नहीं किए भी. It's okay. I have my backup videos, and this is not what I have to do it. This is what I want to do. So if if I feel good, I'll do it. Okay, if I don't feel good, people will tell me to do it. They will motivate me. If I don't want to do it, I have to do it because a lot of people are doing. So even 1,000 people message me, Tahir, video kab aa rahi? I'll not record it because I don't want to do it. But even one person, my one student is there. I'm not say student, but she is learning from me and from my videos, and she's always appreciating me. I missed one day in lockdown when it was 21 days lockdown in India. So it happened that, Tahir, why you missed the one videos? Because I took a challenge of 21 days, 21 videos. So I missed one day. So he said that, Tahir, why you missed the video? I said, only one person told me this thing. It means she is waiting for me for my video. That motivated me to complete the challenge. Even I didn't complete the challenge. I put it on only 17 videos. Okay, that is my mistake, and I'm not good at following challenges. Okay, but that was like I recorded videos and people motivated. So I start managing my time, and I can't what you can say, निराश a lot of people. उनको निराश नहीं करते सकते वो जो वेट कर रहे हैं हमारे वीडियोस के लिए, या जो वेट कर रहे हैं हमारे सेशंस के लिए. ओके, जो वेट कर रहे हैं कि यार ताहिर आएगा और कुछ ना कुछ बता के जाए. ओके, they expect something from me, and then I should follow those things. कि हाँ, उनके एक्सपेक्टेशन पे थोड़ा तो खरे उतर जाओ. पूरा शायद ना खरे उतर पाए because a lot of people are there.
सही. ताहिर, एक लास्ट मुझे एक DM आया था इंस्टाग्राम पे जस्ट रिसेंटली लाइव सेशन से पहले कि यार ताहिर भाई का हमने इंस्टाग्राम चेक किया था, वो बहुत ज्यादा क्रिएटिव और बहुत ज्यादा नीट नजर आ रहा था. तो जरा उनसे एक बात पूछेगा कि वो कौन सा एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं. वो इतनी अच्छी वीडियोस एडिट करते हैं और ऐसे अच्छे फीचर्स कहाँ से लेके आते हैं?
It's simple. In short, it's a free app. In short, and to make my post, like quotes which I post on my channel, Instagram page, is from Canva. So Canva and InShot are free. Okay, and InShot, it's a basic to advanced editing. In InShot, you have a lot of features. Even if this is like yellowish right now, the lighting is yellowish right now. Yes. If I have to convert little bit in white, okay, I'll just I'll just lower down the temperature in the video. So you have a lot of good things there. I can, if there is a very blackish look here, okay, the lighting is not good, so I can change the saturation. So put my real skin color. तो ऐसा होता है. ये बहुत easy software है. You can just search it on YouTube. अगर आपको search करना है कि कैसे मुझे in short कि अगर आप सिर्फ डाउनलोड करोगे ना और आप वीडियोस अगर डालोगे तो आपको easily पता चल जाएगा. They have a lot of canvas in the sense कि आप Instagram के लिए IGTV का अलग रेशियो होता है, 1 मिनट वीडियो का अलग रेशियो होता है, फेसबुक वीडियोस का अलग रेशियो होता है, तो वो भी उसके अंदर ऑप्शंस है. सो इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर और यू कैन से ऐप in the mobile, and you can upload video till 1080p quality, which I will not do it because I don't have that much space in my mobile phone. So let's save it if from 480p or 720p. Sometimes it's good quality and you can watch my videos. It's good quality. It's a decent quality to share.
Tahir, I just want to first of all thank you. Like, you have shared so much powerful value and powerful thoughts, and like, you are consistently speaking for 1 hour and for the audience who are watching you, and I'm just really grateful to you because like these things happens in a very young age. It is very rare. I have seen very rare in my life because people are not so much aware about themselves as well when they are 17, 18, 19, in fact 20, after 21 as well. So in this age, in the age of 17, a young, positive, dynamic spirit, like you have so much spirit in your work, and you are doing passionately.
A lot of good words you said about me. It's not the real thing, okay? I'm not so good, but yeah, I'm good. I love my little bit of tarif, what you can say. But thank you so much, Hussain bhai, for inviting me in the session. Okay, that's an opportunity for me as well to share the value in a different manner, because let me tell you, because this is my first Facebook live, so I also learned a new way of doing live sessions, a new software of doing live session. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity to me.
No, same here. We have also learned a lot from you as well. ताहिर, जाते बस एक बात ये बता दें कि पहली वीडियो आपने कब अपलोड की थी?
I uploaded at 23rd of December, okay, on Facebook group. Okay, that was my first video on social media. Okay, I've been recording videos for 2 months, but वो courage नहीं था कि अपलोड करूँ. तो फिर 23rd दिसंबर को पहली वीडियो फेसबुक ग्रुप पे डाली, और फिर 1st जैन को आई थिंक सो मैंने वो वीडियो यूट्यूब पे डाली, नई वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करके, जो यूट्यूब चैनल डिलीट भी हो गया बाद में. ओके, फिर नया यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया अभी 2 महीने पहले, तो उसके अंदर थोड़ा क्वालिटी कंटेंट डाला मैंने. तो यस, आई अपलोडेड माय फर्स्ट एवर वीडियो ऑन सोशल मीडिया ऑन 23rd of December 2019.
Okay, absolutely great. Wonderful to have you on the show, Tahir, and I hope that people will like your content and people will like you as well, because the way you are delivering the things are by heart as well. So और दिल से निकली हुई बात दिल तक पहुंचती है और फिर इम्प्रूव भी उसी तरीके से होता है. और आप जो पैशनेट है 1 मिलियन ऑडियंस कवर करने के लिए जो आप पैशनेट है, और मैं आपके लिए बहुत खुश हूँ कि आपने इस एज में इतना बड़ा गोल सेट कर रखा है, जो कि मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये कहीं ना कहीं किसी भी साल में जाकर जरूर पूरा हो, और ये जल्द पूरा हो.
Sure, absolutely.
और उम्मीद करता हूँ आप खुश रहिए, अपने ऑडियंस को वैल्यू देते रहिए, और इसी तरह
फिर से एक लाइव सेशन करेंगे हम, जिसमें हम फिर से मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह, और बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी बातें करेंगे. उस टाइम पे थोड़ा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस भी बढ़ गया होगा, तो अच्छी टिप्स मिलेंगी शायद. So thank you so much, Hussain bhai, for inviting me.
Same here. Wonderful, my pleasure. And see you again inshallah in the live session. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Goodbye.